When buying a home in Balmoral, the decision making normally comes down to three key attributes. And what they are sweeping water views, natural light, and the proximity to the sand at Balmoral Beach. And very rarely can you find all three. Hi, I'm Stefan Bertram and welcome to another Pello property. Let's go have a look. Moving into the property, you can truly feel a flexible floor plan, existing hardwood floors and high ceilings. The property offers the option to renovate and hold the property for an extended period of time or build your dream home. There's endless scope for future improvement with this property, with views found in every part of the property. Currently, you will find a working elevator, huge double lock-up garage, and a level rear lawn. A key factor of this property has to be the sweeping water and district views, all enjoying preferred northern sun and aspect. The location of Ryan Avenue is second to none, as it gives you the best of both worlds. A slight elevation with incredible views, but also an easy stroll to popular cafes, regular government transport, and the world-class Balmoral Beach. After walking through this property, you can really feel when it comes to those three things, which is sun, sweeping water views, and a close, easy stroll down to Balmoral Beach, this one has it all. If there's any questions on the home, or if you'd like to book a private viewing in your own time, please give me a call. If not, we'll see you at the next inspection.